it was me. Meditation can be a helpful tool in healing the hurts of racism by fostering mindfulness, empathy, and compassion. Through meditation, individuals can develop a greater understanding of their own experiences and the experiences of others from different racial and cultural backgrounds. This increased understanding can help break down barriers, challenge biases and prejudices, and promote a sense of unity and interconnectedness. In addition to cultivating empathy and compassion, meditation can also help to reduce stress and negative emotions associated with experiences of racism. This can create a more conducive environment for personal growth, self-reflection, and positive change. Meditation can be a powerful tool for healing the hurts of racism by promoting understanding, empathy, and compassion, as well as providing a space for emotional healing and personal growth. Let's begin this practice. Healing from personal racism. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take several deep breaths, allowing your body and mind to relax. Begin by acknowledging any instances where you have exhibited racist behavior, thoughts, or feelings. Understand that it takes courage and humility to admit to these mistakes, but it is a necessary step towards healing and personal growth. Visualize a warm, healing light enveloping you, providing a safe space for self-reflection, forgiveness, and transformation. As you continue to breathe deeply, repeat the following affirmations either silently or out loud. I recognize my past mistakes and choose to learn from them. I am committed to growing and becoming a more empathetic and compassionate person. I forgive myself for any harm I have caused and embrace the opportunity to change. I actively seek to understand the experiences and perspectives of others. I choose to be an ally in the fight against racism and discrimination. I embrace the diversity and richness of human experiences and cultures. With each affirmation, allow yourself to feel a sense of acceptance and forgiveness. Visualize the healing light transforming any feelings of guilt, shame, or regret into motivation for personal growth and positive change. Spend the next several minutes reflecting on concrete actions you can take to combat racism and foster a more inclusive and empathetic mindset. This could include educating yourself on the experiences of others, engaging in conversations about race and